Okay, check this out. As you can see, United States pays $136 for 1,000 views. We have Canada for $40, United Kingdom $66, Australia $17. We also have Germany $83, and we also have France $72. This is how to make money online watching videos in 2021. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'll show you how to make money online watching videos in 2021. So this is a hack that I just found and I really had to shoot a video for you because this is just mind-blowing. Okay, you can literally make hundreds of dollars, maybe even $1,000 every single day doing this, and I will show you some proof and it will just blow your mind because all you have to do is just find viral videos, do it over and over again, and you will get paid this way. So an amazing opportunity, especially if you're a beginner and especially if you are into viral niches on YouTube. So guys, before I'm going to show you all this, let me give away $10. If you want to win $10 in cash right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. In the comment just say make money online, and I'm going to be giving away $10 cash to one person, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also check out all the links in the description of this video. I have some free courses, I have my coaching program if you want to check it out, I have my social media, so check all of it out. And right now let me share my screen, let's jump into this video. So guys, the first step of doing this is finding viral videos, and these viral videos can be literally in any niche. So just go after one of the biggest niches on YouTube that you can think of, or the one that you are interested in. Okay, so I just did a quick search right here. As you can see, the most popular niches on YouTube are tech videos, gaming, product reviews, tutorials, storytime videos, vlogs, food, and fashion. So whatever you are into, you can go after. I would go after gaming because gaming is such a crazy niche. They get literally millions of views within hours of uploading videos on some of these channels. That's why we'll go with gaming, just to show you how all of this works. So guys, I'm not really a gamer, I'm not playing games myself, I don't really own a console or anything like this, but I know that some of the biggest games out there right now include Minecraft or Fortnite. Okay, so you can go after any one of these games. You are probably much more informed about all of these games. Let's just type in Minecraft and let's see what kind of videos you have. So guys, so what you want is you want to find a video or a few videos that were uploaded very recently and that already have millions of views. This is something that instantly goes viral, and when it comes to Minecraft, it is absolutely crazy, guys. 11 hours ago we have 150k views. We have this one 21 hours ago, 1 million views, over 1 million views. 10 hours ago 269k. guys, you get the idea. 11 hours ago 1.4 million views. This is absolutely crazy. I mean, to get a viral video like this with 1.4 million views in 11 hours in a niche that is not gaming, it is pretty hard. So that's why probably gaming is the best bet, but again, you can go after any video that you want to. Okay, so this video looks perfect, playing a baby kitten in Minecraft. So let's just click on it. And how you make money with it is that you have to just share it, and you're gonna get paid for every single view of other people. Okay, so obviously you can watch this video if you want to, but what we will do right now is we will copy and paste the URL right here in the top. So let's right click, let's click on copy, and I will show you a couple of websites that we'll be using. Okay, so first of all, the website that I recommend you start with is adfly, adf.ly. All you have to do is just paste the link right here. So right click and paste and click on shrink. Okay, so we will have this link. I'm going to show you where to show it in just a second, but before I do, let me actually go to the beginning where I showed you all of the rates. So this is what you're gonna get paid if people from a particular country are watching your video. Okay, so again, for United States it is $136 for 1,000 views. Okay, so guys, these videos get millions of views within hours, so to get 1,000 views is pretty easy. Okay, so obviously you cannot control who will watch the video and from which country, but it's a safe bet that if a video is in English, obviously people from United States, United Kingdom, Canada will watch it, and you know, people from European countries as well, like Norway, France, Greece, Germany, etc. So that's AdFly. This is how much they are paying. I showed you already how to get your link. Now another website I wanted to show you is this one right here, shortay.st, shortest. It works in the same exact way. So all you have to do is just paste the URL right here, click on shorten, and you will get a link. Now with shortest, they also pay out pretty okay, but a little bit less than AdFly. Okay, so let's click on payout rates right here on the bottom. And as you can see, for English speaking audience, they have United States $14. Okay, so significantly less. But again, you can use the first website, the second website, or both websites. And as you can see, we have United Kingdom $10, Canada $5, Australia $8, etc. Okay, so you can actually test this out, but for the purpose of this video, we will stick with AdFly. So what we have to do right now is just copy this link again, and this is the key part of the video, okay? Where you will get the eyeballs, where you'll get the people to actually watch the video. So when it comes to the gaming niche, there are many different forums that you can go to and just share your link on them. Okay, so with AdFly, I know that some social media are actually blocking the link, so don't try to share it on Facebook or Twitter or maybe Pinterest. You can try, but sometimes it will just get blocked. Okay, so that's why we will go with forums and not with social media. Okay, so sticking with the Minecraft example, I found this forum, minecraftforum.net. Okay, so guys, this is a forum where people share tips and different videos, and this a video of ours playing a baby kitten in Minecraft will definitely do very, very well on this forum. So just go to minecraftforum.net, click on forum, and people are literally sharing hundreds of thousands of threads right here. So we have recent updates, we have discussion, suggestions, survival mode, creative mode, seeds. So I would just go and share this video all over this forum. As you can see, we have thousands of threads, we have hundreds of thousands of posts. So let's go on to discussion, and let's just check how many views these are getting. So as you can see, these will literally shared like minutes ago, 2 hours ago. 14 hours ago, we have 4,000 replies already and views, 250,000 views. Guys, 14 hours ago. So this is definitely a place that you can get tons of views for your videos. And guys, this is just one example, right? This is just one Minecraft forum. Probably there are many different forums. For Minecraft alone, I actually found a bunch of different gaming forums. Okay, so again, Minecraft is just one example. For the purpose of this video, you can go with Fortnite, you can go with any other game. So another website that I found is neogaf.com. Okay, so this is a forum, works in the same exact way. So essentially you just create a free account, you go to the gaming discussion right here, or communities, or off-topic discussions, and share your link. And the more people click on it, the more money you will be making. I found another one, gamefaqs.gamespot.com. As you can see, we have different boards. So we have Super Smash Bros. We have Genshin Impact, Fire Emblem Heroes. I don't know if these are game names or something, but we also have Poll of the Day, we have Live as a Gamer. So guys, you can just try to share it in as many categories that make sense. And again, as you can see, we have literally millions of messages, we have hundreds of thousands of topics, so it's very, very easy to get traffic from these forums. Another forum that I found is ignboards.com. As you can see, this one is for Nintendo, for PlayStation, for Xbox, for PC, for classic gaming, for individual gaming boards. Guys, you name the niche, they have it. And again, all you have to do is just share your link all over this place. We have, again, hundreds of thousands of comments, so people are really engaged on these forums, and we have millions of views. Another one that I found is gamespot.com/forums. As you can see, again, same exact idea. We have reviews, we have systems, we have even cyberpunk. So just join as many of these forums as you can. When it comes to gaming, you can find literally dozens. When it comes to any other niche, you will probably find other forums as well. Guys, you can also go to Reddit. You can go to reddit.com/r/gaming. That's just one example. And as you can see, again, we have literally hundreds of thousands of 29 million members, excuse me, not hundreds of thousands, millions of members. So people share memes, people share different things on here. And that's essentially what you have to do. Okay, so guys, again, find a top niche. Going back to YouTube right here, you can literally type in viral videos. And you will find, as you can see, this one, 14 million views, 1.1 million views. We have 3.3 million views. So even if you don't know what kind of a niche you want to go after, just find viral videos or funny videos or even cat videos or anything that really comes to mind that people are into, that they will watch, and that can get millions of views. So that's how easy it is. This is how to make money online. Watching videos, sharing videos. This works in 2021. Obviously this works worldwide. Again, going back right here, check at all of these countries. Even if you're going to share it on some local forum in your country, like in France, $72, Norway is $5, Nigeria is $17. This is pretty crazy. We have Estonia, we have Korea, $90. So guys, so much money is to be made with this, especially with these crazy little viral videos that go viral instantly and that get millions of views within hours. So guys, that's the video I have for you today, but let me give away $10 right now. Okay, so this is my last video, make money writing in 2021 easy hacks. So definitely check out this video, and right now let me grab the URL and let's see how many comments we have. So let me go to YouTube random comment picker, let me paste in the URL right here, and let's filter out the duplicates. Okay, let's get YouTube comments. We have 28 comments, and right now let me pick a random winner and I will be giving away $10 in cash. So we have Chandan Yadav. Chandan, if you're watching, please go back to your comment. I will comment under your comment, and then just reply with your email address so I can send you the $10 in cash. Okay, so congratulations for winning. If you want to win $10 just like Chandan just did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. Just type in make money online or something else, and I will be giving away $10 in my next video. That's for this video. Okay, so guys, before you go, make sure to check out all the links in the description of this video, especially if you want to check out my courses, if you want to check out my systems for making money online, my coaching, and everything else. I have some free stuff, I have some paid stuff like for $1, or maybe if you want to watch the webinar replay of what I actually do on YouTube to make money, you can check out this as well. Follow me on the social media, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment as well. So guys, that was my how to make money online watching videos in 2021 video. Check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos about making money online, working from home, digital business, and much more. So check all the rest of the videos on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.